What is up, my family? I missed you guys. I love you guys. We are back with a new video. Today I'm going to be I'm just going to get right into it and make this one quick because honestly, I really want to talk about it. So today we're going to be talking about the ticker GGRP. All right, there's the ticker. It's GGRP. I'm not going to make you wait to hear it. It's GGRP. And I'm going to talk about why I love this ticker so much. So let's just get into a couple things. So GGRP used to be VRAR, right? VRAR, everyone, you know, if you've been trading for a while, you know the ticker, VRAR, VRAR, right here. Known runner, they've had military contracts, which is why it's ran before. And the same people, so the same people that have been a part of VRAR are a part of GGRP, but they're taking their AI and they're basically sectoring off into more of like a pure AI play. So anyway, so if you look through, this was from a little while ago, and if you follow me, I mean, you know I've been talking about this play for a while. We have banked on this play. I mean, it looks amazing for a while now, but this is from when they originally shifted. You know, you talk about how GGRP has, you know, it has, I'll show you here, like, right here. So GGRP is a subsidiary company that provides advanced physical AI infrastructure and services to the Department of War and big data enterprises via its spatial core platform, right? It also mentions here, BTLN has proven technology with several large contracts across cutting-edge DoW entities and cooperative research development agreements with both the Navy and Army. In addition, the technology is built in collaboration with NVIDIA. Guys, they're partnering with the Department of War and providing AI infrastructure to the department. I mean, this is insane, right? If you read this board, look at this board. Retired Admiral Scott Swift, he's the incoming board chairman. I mean, just read this. I'm not going to read all of this to you, but I mean, it's literally formed by like retired Army generals. I mean, look at this. Major General Pete Flusser, a U.S. Air Force veteran for 30 years, ranked Major General, right? Like, the insiders are investing their own capital into the company, millions. They put, this was from the original one. They also did a secondary one in their most recent PR. But this is a play that I seriously think could do without a doubt multiple dollars. I don't even think it's easily can do multiple dollars. And I've been saying this since like 60 cents. Because just look at these PRs. This is the most recent PR, other than today that which I'll go over. So, if that wasn't bullish enough for you, that they're partnering with the Department of War, they're building in collaboration with NVIDIA, Brightline and Swarmer partner on AI data collection and drone interceptability for the U.S. Department of War. Swarmer, which by the way, if you look at Swarmer, is a right here, is a recent IPO from this year, right? It's a $50 stock. It's a $500 million market cap right now, right? If it was at 80, it's a $1 billion market cap. So we have a $500 million company partnering with GGRP. Nobody cares. Nobody's talking about it. I don't understand, right? This is absolutely massive. If you read this PR, under the agreement, Swarmer will contribute to its autonomy and swarm coordination software, along with years of battle-tested experience. Brightline will integrate Swarmer's technology with Spatial Core. It's open. I mean, guys, look at this. They're literally partnering for the Department of War with multi-hundred-million-dollar companies, and this is just the first one. There is some serious story that's being built here, and honestly, I think there's a lot more to come. I think that we're going to get government contracts. I would not be surprised. I mean, you don't partner with things like this without getting government contracts. They already have government contracts previously because VRAR has ran off of them before. This is my, without a doubt, my favorite play by far, right? Today they announced that they're rebranding. So they're changing their ticker from GGRP to BTLN, I guess for Brightline Interactive, right? So now we have a ticker change symbol, which is nice because for some reason that's a big catalyst in the market because people love seeing, you know, symbol changes, right? But on top of all of this, they're not diluting at all. Literally not one share. And also, if you look at the chart is absolutely insane. I mean, look at this chart, right? So it came out here, we played it, came up, it's flagged for 2 months. It just flagged on this daily for 2 months. It flagged here without any volume too. It's just being held up. It's being held up, being accumulated. So broke out of the flag, right? So it broke out of this flag right here. It broke out of this flag, and now it's flagging again. It's flagging again. It's making, I mean, this chart is picture perfect. You could even see it more on the weekly, right? Flag, broke out, made new highs, flag again. Look at this weekly. If this gets over, I think we have like 120, 125, you could say, right, is your resistance above. We're going to hit this easily, okay? In my opinion, this is not financial advice, I should say. Obviously, these are all risky investments. Do everything on your own. You know, I'm just telling you my opinions and so on and so forth. Over 120, 180s. I mean, look at this chart. This chart, I mean, this could literally rip. This could do like $2, $3, $4 easily. I mean, this is insane. This could easily just be walk up. I've been adding any dips I can get. I've added 80, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. I've just been adding and adding and adding. You know, you could trim pops and re-add again. But I just feel like something's coming here. It's building. It's not like a quick pump and dump. You have literally months of the chart building, 3 months of it being accumulated and built. So right now, what we need to do is basically just, you know, we're just kind of churning in this channel here, right? Until that breaks out. So it's a little heavier here, like, you know, because listen, around $1 or so, it's gonna be, you have some resistances here, right? Like at 95, that was a big resistance. You know, you always have some psychological resistance at $1. I also think that, to be honest, there's no reason why this can't just stay over $1 for 10 days and they regain their compliance naturally. I mean, organically. There's no reason why they can't. We have a golden cross forming right here on the daily. The weekly is looking great. It looks like it's building for this for the 9 to start building back up. I think GGRP is something that is going to be a big play. Nobody's speaking about it. I mean, we've been in since. I mean, everyone should have a great average if you're already in, but I'm still adding because I think that this PR with Swarmer was big. I can't believe that nobody even looked at this. I mean, you're talking about a $500 million company or potential $1 billion company, because every day Swarmer goes up, right? That's essentially more value to GGRP, because if they form this partnership, right? They formed this partnership on July 28th. On July 28th, Swarmer was at $38. If Swarmer's at 60, and now it's a $900 million company, how is that not more valuable to GGRP? And look at this daily on Swarmer. It looks like it may rip. I mean, if this breaks 52, it looks like it's going back to highs. So there's so many catalysts that we already have, plus ones that are coming. I think GGRP is a big name. I think that this is a great one to accumulate, add dips, sell pops, because there's stuff coming here, and this is a great story, and I think that this could easily be a big runner. I mean, it already has been a great runner, but I want more. I want multiple dollars out of this, ideally. Okay? So remember, have your own plan, manage your own risks. You know, we can't control anything like that, so you know, they are penny stocks, obviously they can be risky, so hope you guys enjoy. I missed you guys. I am back, and hope you guys had a great summer. Let's bank the rest of the year. Later, guys.